So you finally got organized using Zoho to run your business, with apps like CRM to create proposals, Sign to generate contracts, and Books for invoicing. So why are you still using email to do all your customer communication? We know how that goes. Proposals routed to spam, files too large to attach, and invoices getting buried. Not to mention the difficulty searching through thousands of mixed threads. It's time to give clients an easy way to do business with you, using ZPortals, the customer portal builder for Zoho. ZPortals allows you to efficiently coordinate with your customers. It's the bridge that connects information stored in Zoho directly to your customers through an easy-to-navigate portal installed right on your website. With secure connections to multiple Zoho apps, your customers can feel confident uploading sensitive files or reviewing private data in a dashboard. From filling out forms to accepting quotes and managing support tickets, ZPortals is the one-stop shop for customers to self-service, saving everyone time and frustration. So do your team and customers a favor. Install ZPortals today.